Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage a function of the volume buttons in the camera in your OPPO A98. So in the first step, open the camera app, then tap on the three line icon and choose settings. Now just slide down and look for the volume button action. Just tap on it, and now, how you can see, we can change the volume in the camera. Just take a photo by the shutter and zoom in, zoom out. So just activate your desired function and go back to the camera. And now I can zoom in and zoom out by the volume buttons. Probably. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.